Malaysia is a remarkable country located in the very heart of Southeast Asia. It's a place where, ancient traditions meet the modern world. The nation is a federation, a collection of 13 states and 3 federal territories, and each has its own unique character and heritage. This structure allows for a blend of local governance and national unity, creating a complex and honestly, fascinating political landscape. Its strategic position along the Strait of Malacca has made it a crossroads for trade and culture for many centuries, shaping the destiny of its people and the wider region. It's a nation built on cooperation, a patchwork of states that have come together to form a single, vibrant entity. The country is divided into 2 main regions by the South China Sea. To the west we find peninsular Malaysia, which shares a land border with Thailand in the north and is connected to Singapore by a causeway in the south. This peninsula is the historical and economic heartland of the nation. To the east across the sea lies East Malaysia, which occupies the northern part of the magnificent island of Borneo. East Malaysia shares borders with Indonesia's Kalimantan region to the south and envelops the small, independent nation of Brunei. This geographical separation has led to distinct cultural and ecological developments in each part of the country. The true essence of Malaysia lies in its incredible cultural diversity. It's a harmonious melting pot of different peoples, each contributing their own unique threads to the national fabric. The main ethnic groups are the Malays, who are considered the indigenous people or Bumiputera, alongside other native groups. Then there are the large and influential communities of Chinese and Indian Malaysians, whose ancestors arrived generations ago, bringing with them their customs, languages and beliefs. This blend of cultures is visible everywhere, from the tantalizing variety of food found in street markets, to the colorful festivals celebrated throughout the year with great enthusiasm. This mix of traditions creates a society that is truly unique. The Malays bring their gentle traditions and Islamic heritage. The Chinese contribute their entrepreneurial spirit and vibrant festivals like Chinese New Year. The Indian community enriches the nation with the deep colors and spirituality of festivals such as Deepavali. In East Malaysia, on the island of Borneo, numerous indigenous groups like the Iban and Kadazan Dusun have their own ancient customs, languages, and connections to the natural world. This peaceful coexistence is a source of national pride and strength, a testament to the country's motto, Bersekutu Bertambah Mutu, which means unity is strength. The national flag of Malaysia is a powerful symbol of its identity and journey as a nation. It's called the Jalur Gemilang, which translates to stripes of glory. The flag features a field of 14 horizontal stripes, alternating between red and white. These stripes represent the equal status of the 13 member states and the federal territories within the federation. Each stripe is a reminder that every part of the country, from the smallest state to the largest, plays an important role in the collective whole. The design beautifully captures the spirit of unity and partnership that holds the diverse nation together as one. In the top left corner of the flag, there's a dark blue canton or rectangle. The blue color signifies the unity of the Malaysian people, a deep and enduring bond that transcends cultural and geographical divides. Within this blue canton, we find 2 other important symbols, a crescent and a 14-pointed star. The crescent is a traditional symbol of Islam, which is the official religion of the Federation. It represents the spiritual foundation that guides many of the nation's people. The star, with its 14 points, echoes the meaning of the stripes, once again symbolizing the unity between the 13 states and the federal government. The colors of the Jalur Gemilang are also deeply meaningful. The red and white of the stripes, along with the blue of the canton, are drawn from the colors of the Union flag of the United Kingdom, acknowledging Malaysia's history within the British Commonwealth. However, they have also taken on their own national significance. The red represents courage and strength, the white symbolizes purity and sincerity, and the blue, as mentioned, stands for unity. Together, these colors tell a story of a nation that is brave, pure of heart, and united in its purpose and vision for the future. The population of Malaysia is over 33 million people, a vibrant tapestry of individuals from many backgrounds. The official language is Bahasa Malaysia, also known as Malay, which serves as a common language that unites all citizens and is used in government and education. However, English is also widely spoken, especially in business and tourism, reflecting the country's colonial past and its modern, international outlook. This bilingualism makes communication easy and opens the country up to the rest of the world, fostering connections and understanding across borders. The language landscape is as diverse as its people. The natural world of Malaysia is simply breathtaking. The country is dominated by vast, ancient rainforests, some of the oldest on our planet. These tropical ecosystems are teeming with life, forming a complex and delicate web of flora and fauna. The landscape is also defined by majestic mountain ranges, with Mount Kinabalu in Borneo standing as the highest peak in Southeast Asia, its granite spires reaching for the clouds. Along its extensive coastline, one can find pristine beaches and hundreds of idyllic islands, surrounded by coral reefs that are bursting with marine life. This variety of habitats makes Malaysia a true natural wonderland. This incredible geography supports one of the most biodiverse environments in the world. The rainforests of Malaysia are a treasure trove of life, home to a staggering number of species. Here, one might catch a glimpse of the elusive Malayan tiger, a magnificent predator that roams the deep jungle. In the trees, gentle orangutans, the people of the forest, swing through the canopy, while peculiar-looking proboscis monkeys gather near the riverbanks. The forests are also home to the world's largest flower, the rafflesia, and countless species of insects, birds, and reptiles, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. However, this precious natural heritage faces significant threats. Deforestation, primarily for agriculture like palm oil plantations and for urban development, has led to a loss of habitat for many species. This puts immense pressure on wildlife populations, pushing creatures like the Malayan tiger and the Borneo elephant closer to the brink of extinction. Pollution of rivers and coastal areas also poses a serious risk to both terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The balance of this ancient world is fragile, and the actions of humanity are having a profound and often devastating impact on its future. In response to these challenges, Malaysia has established numerous conservation efforts. A network of national parks and wildlife reserves has been created to protect critical habitats and endangered species. Organizations, both governmental and non-governmental, work tirelessly on reforestation projects, anti-poaching patrols, and wildlife rehabilitation centers, such as the famous Sepalak Orangutan Rehabilitation Center in Sabah. There's a growing awareness among the Malaysian people about the importance of preserving their natural legacy, a recognition that this rich biodiversity is not just a national treasure, but a global one that requires careful and urgent protection for generations to come. While Islam is the official religion of the Federation, Malaysia is a country that embraces religious freedom. The Constitution guarantees the right of its citizens to practice their own faith, and this principle is a cornerstone of its multicultural society. Alongside the many beautiful mosques, it's common to see Christian churches, Buddhist temples, and Hindu shrines throughout the country, often standing in close proximity to one another. This religious tolerance allows for a peaceful coexistence of beliefs, where major religious festivals of all faiths are celebrated as national holidays, shared and enjoyed by everyone, fostering a spirit of mutual respect and understanding. In the international arena, Malaysia plays an active and influential role. It is a founding member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, a regional organization dedicated to promoting economic, political, and security cooperation among its 10 member states. Through ASEAN, Malaysia works to maintain peace and stability in one of the world's most dynamic regions. The country is also an active member of the United Nations, the Commonwealth of Nations, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, contributing to global dialogues on a wide range of issues, from peacekeeping to sustainable development. Economically, Malaysia is a significant player in global trade and commerce. Its economy has transformed over the decades from one based on raw materials like tin and rubber, to a diversified and robust manufacturing and service-based economy. It is a major exporter of electronic components, palm oil, and natural gas, with its goods reaching markets all across the globe. The country's strategic ports, such as the Port of Klang, are among the busiest in the world, serving as critical hubs in the global supply chain. This economic dynamism has brought prosperity and development, making Malaysia an upper-middle-income country. In conclusion, Malaysia is a land of incredible contrasts and compelling harmony. It's a nation where diverse cultures, religions, and traditions have come together to forge a strong and unified identity, symbolized by its stripes of glory. It is a country blessed with some of the planet's richest natural treasures, from ancient rainforests to vibrant coral reefs, which it is now striving to protect. As an important partner on the world stage, Malaysia continues to build bridges and foster connections, contributing to regional stability and global trade. It stands as a powerful example of how unity and diversity can create a prosperous and peaceful future.